Hi, my name is Alicia Zimmer and I'm the Attraction and Selection Manager here at Severn Trent. When someone says Severn Trent, you probably think water. And here as a water company, most people think of our roles as being the frontline operational roles that you see out in the community. But actually, we have such a wide variety of opportunities available, and apprenticeships are such a great way for entry level into those roles. Regardless of your background, your schooling, your qualifications, our apprenticeships are a great entry level position into our company. We have everything from level 2, which is GCSE equivalent, all the way through to level 6 and level 7, which is degree and master's equivalent. An apprenticeship really can be for anybody, regardless of the opportunity that they're looking for. Whether you're looking for something in the office or out in the field, regardless of your interests, here at Severn Trent, we truly believe we have an opportunity for everybody. We have over 200 people doing completely different roles, all on an apprenticeship. It's your career and your choice. Let's hear from some of our current apprentices.
My name's Lucas Murphy and I'm a technical operator apprentice at Severn Trent. So when I was younger, I knew that I didn't really want to be in an office all day doing work on a computer, so with Severn Trent I knew that I could do a bit more of an outdoors activity whilst also having that bit of time in the office to myself.
My name's Hassan Rashid. I'm a level 7 solicitor apprentice working in the in-house legal team at Severn Trent whilst working towards becoming a qualified solicitor. My experience here has been so great. Honestly, I've done so many things. I'm 4.5 years into it and I'm just getting so much experience, so very grateful.
So I quite like the idea of this apprenticeship because it's more earning and learning at the same time, whereas with other jobs, if I was to go straight into it, I don't really get that trial that you do with an apprenticeship. So far it hasn't been like normal college work, it's been quite a lot more interactive with other students, getting to know them, just because there's a lot of team activities involved.
Hi, I'm Ollie. I'm an apprentice at Severn Trent and I do a role called an operational technician. I chose this apprenticeship because I wanted to be hands-on and have a practical role and not go to college and just be in a classroom all day.
Hi, I'm Gracie and I'm a HR consultant apprentice. So with my apprenticeship, I get to do lots of different placements. So from learning and development onto our general HR team and then onto reward and other factors into the HRBPs and casework team, I'm able to experience the whole of HR and really embrace and embody the apprenticeship learning experience by jumping around to different placements.
Apprenticeships are amazing. I recommend one 100%. I would not go back.
So now that you've heard from some of our apprentices who joined us on programme, hopefully that brought to life the benefit and the impact that apprenticeships can have for the individual as well as the business. There really is so much more on offer with apprenticeships than most people really understand, and we truly believe that apprenticeships are the vehicle to take you wherever you want to go.